Hi, this is Dr. Patrick Kingsep, and welcome to the Eye of the Hurricane meditation. I want you to find a comfortable meditation position, either sitting on a cushion on the floor or on a chair. Sit tall with your back straight, but shoulders relaxed, and let your hands rest in your lap, and gently close your eyes. Now let's take 3 deep, slow breaths to begin. And become aware of your body sitting here. Notice the sense of contact between your body and the seat beneath you. Notice your feet on the floor. Notice your clothes against your skin. Now let's consider a metaphor. Within the strong, turbulent winds of a hurricane, the eye, the center of the hurricane, is quiet. There is no wind and no movement there. Now just for a moment, I want you to picture this in your mind. Can you visualize the strong, turbulent winds of a hurricane and the inner core that is peaceful and quiet? Let's see if you can become like the center of that hurricane. Your current circumstances, your thoughts, your feelings, and the sensations throughout your body can be compared to the winds of a hurricane. Is it possible for you to let go of all these things for a moment so that you're no longer taking part in them? Like the center of the hurricane is not taking part in the turbulent surrounding winds. To do this, start by focusing on your breath. Simply breathe in and breathe out. Focus inward. Just like the eye is deep within the hurricane, your eye is deep within you. Use your breath to connect to this part of you. Simply breathe in and breathe out. Stay connected to your breath. If anything stressful happens in the moment, such as negative thoughts, unpleasant feelings, annoying sounds, difficult life events, memories, try to look at them as if they're the turbulent wind of the hurricane, whirling around, continually changing, unpredictable in nature. Notice that you are not them. You are the silent center of the hurricane, the part that is peaceful despite what is happening around you. You are the silent center of the hurricane, peaceful and at ease. You are not reacting. You are simply observing. Like the wind of the hurricane, these experiences are constantly moving and changing. You, on the other hand, are stable. You are not moving or being carried away by them. As you are breathing, notice how you move more and more towards the center of the hurricane, towards the eye. Just like the turbulent wind of the hurricane, your thoughts, your feelings, and whatever is happening outside yourself is still going on. But you are no longer part of it. You are in a safe, peaceful place, breathing in and breathing out. As you sit here, connected to your eye, notice whatever arises. Notice the wind of the hurricane, but do not participate. Stay in the eye. Notice thoughts. Notice feelings. Notice sensations. Continue to watch the ever-changing nature of the world inside and outside you. Watch from a distance with curiosity and without judgment, without reacting to what you see. No matter how intense or bad the hurricane gets, the eye is always centered, calm, and at ease. Even the most turbulent hurricane cannot hurt or harm the eye. The eye is safe. Whenever you feel you need to restore your inner peace, use your breath to connect to the silent part of yourself. Just breathe in and breathe out. It may help to visualize this hurricane with yourself in the center. It can be difficult to see the eye of the hurricane at times, and sometimes we forget the eye is even there. However, it is always there. If we examine closely enough, even the strongest, darkest hurricane, sooner or later, we'll see the eye, centered and constant. Now, when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, coming back into this room, reminding yourself you are at the center. And what I want you to do right now is, this is now after you've been through this meditation, been through the eye of the hurricane. This is about reflection. So what was it like to connect to the observing self? How do you feel now? Did you resonate with that metaphor of the eye of the hurricane? If not, can you think of another metaphor that would resonate with you more? Now, sometimes during meditation, issues that have been suppressed for some time begin to rise to the surface. Were there things that you noticed that maybe you repressed in the past? If so, what kind of experiences did you notice? What was it like to notice them? How did you deal with them?